Has anyone heard the voice of God? Throughout Bible history, a few people have directly heard God's voice. What does the voice of God sound like? Like thunder? Like fire? Like lightning? Like noise of waters? It breaks cedars. It shakes the desert. It strips the forests bare. It is a great voice. It is powerful and majestic, like the sound of trumpets, and like the sound of harps. The voice of God is in His creation, His word, His ministry. John 10:27. If you want to hear God's voice, be deeply grounded in the Word.